This is the second case. Y double dash plus 8y dash plus 16y equal to 0. So now we will convert into the auxiliary equation. Make the factors or use the quadratic formula. Make the factors m square plus 4m plus 4m plus 16 equal to 0. So 4m plus 4m is 8m. So 8m has broken into 4m plus 4m. M is common. M plus 4 plus 4 is common. M plus 4 equal to 0. M plus 4 is common into M plus 4. So both have the same factors. Either M plus 4 equal to 0, M equal to minus 4, or M plus 4 equal to 0, M equal to minus 4. So both have the same solution. Both have the same solution. Both are real and equal. So this is the second case. General solution. Y is equal to C1 e raised to power minus 4x plus C2x e raised to power minus 4x. One is C1 e raised to power some constant into e raised to power minus 4x. The other will be another constant into x into e raised to power minus 4x. We can't write the same thing again. There must be some difference between the two terms. There must be some difference between the two terms. So what is the difference? The difference of x. The one term is not multiplied with x, the other term is multiplied with x. So that is the second case. This is the second case. Question number 6. Understood this one? Question number 5 understood? Now question number 6. Y dot dash minus 10y dash plus 25y equal to 0. Y double dash minus 10y dash plus 25y equal to 0. Auxiliary equation. M square minus 10m plus 25 equal to 0. Use the quadratic formula or use the factor. Quadratic formula I'm using m is equal to minus 10 plus minus 10 square, that is 100, minus 4ac. A is 125. 4 into 1 will be 4, 4 into 25 will be 100. Upon 2a, 2 into 1. This will become minus minus plus 10 plus minus under root 100 minus 100 is 0 upon 2. So there are only 10 upon 2. The answer is 5. So there are only one answer. It means both roots are equal. It was a quadratic equation and it has only one answer. It means both roots are equal. One answer, that means there are one root, there are two root, but both are equal. Therefore, it is showing one answer. So the general solution, y is equal to c1 e raised to power 5x plus c2x e raised to power 5. These are the two. This is the general solution when the roots are equal. That means you are only finding one answer. You found only one answer. You calculated only one answer, and that is real. So we will use the formula C1 e raised to power m1x plus C2x e raised to power m1x, because there is only m1 but the same answer. So that was question number 6. Question number 7. 12y double dash minus 5y dash minus 2y equal to 0. 12y double dash minus 5y dash minus 2y equal to 0. So we are doing the second order homogeneous differential equation. Just remember, second order homogeneous differential equation. Second order because this is the second derivative. Homogeneous, all terms involving y. There is no term without y. Some have the derivative, some have without derivative of y, but all terms involving y. This is called the homogeneous, and there is no other term without y. So this is the homogeneous differential equation. So auxiliary equation. (12m square minus 5m minus 2 equal to 0. Solve it. Use the formula. M is equal to, we may take the factors also, but now I'm using the formula. Minus m or minus b. B is minus 5. Plus minus b square minus 5 square. Minus 4. AC, A is 12 and C is minus 2. Upon 2a, 2 into 12. 5 plus minus 25 minus minus plus 4 2s are 8, 8 12s are 96. upon 24. 2a, a is 12, b is minus 5 minus b, that is minus 5 plus minus b square minus 5 square minus 4ac, a is 12, c is minus 2. It will become 5 plus minus 1 to 1 upon 24. 1 to 1, square root of 1 to 1 is 11 upon 24. It will become 5 plus 11 upon 24 and 5 minus 11 upon 24. This is 16 upon 24. 8 twos are 8 threes are. And this is minus 6 upon 24. 6 ones are 6 fours are. So the answers are 2 upon 3 and minus 1 upon 4. So there are two real and distinct answers, 2 upon 3 and minus 1 upon 4. So the general solution, I'm writing over there the general solution. Y is equal to C1 e raised to power 3 up 2 upon 3x plus C2 e raised to power minus 1 upon 4x. Y is equal to C1 e raised to power 2 upon 3x plus C2 e raised to power minus 1 upon 4x. So this is the answer. So this is also the first case. This is also the first case. Question number 9. Y double dash plus 9y equal to 0. Have you understood this one? Okay, I'm doing the next question. Question number 9. y double dash plus 9y equal to 0. M square plus 9 equal to 0. M square is equal to minus 9. Take the square root. M is equal to plus minus under root minus 9. Plus minus under root. We are taking the square root of minus 9. So minus 9 will be in the bracket. And it will become plus minus 1 into 9. Minus 9 will be 9 into minus 1. So under root 9 will become 3 and under root minus 1 will become iota. So the answer is M is equal to plus minus 3 iota. So this is the complex answer. This is the complex answer. Answer is M square is equal to minus 9. M is equal to plus minus under root minus 9. So under root minus 9 will become 9 into minus 1. Under root 9 will become 3 and minus 1 under root minus 1 will become iota. So this is plus minus 3 iota. So therefore it is a complex number. Without real part is 0. Imaginary part is 3 and real part is 0. So general solution. Y is equal to no general solution. So e raised to power 0x into C1 imaginary part 3 cos 3x plus C2 sin 3x. No need to write iota. You will not write iota. It's strictly prohibited. And there is plus sign always. So e raised to power 0x will be 1. No need. So only answer is C1 cos 3x plus C2 sin 3x. This is the answer. C1 cos 3x plus C2 sin 3x. The next, that was question number 9. Now question number 11. Question number 11. Have you understood this question? Anything you not understood, you may ask right now. बेटा आपने अगर समझ में नहीं आया कोई चीज तो पूछ ले, क्योंकि बाद में रब कर दूंगा, फिर मैं आपको कैसे एक्सप्लेन करूंगा जब ये मिटी जाएगी यहाँ से। ये कोई रिकॉर्ड तो है नहीं मेरे पास, ये तो फिर इसमें वीडियो में है, वीडियो जाके क्या मैं खोलूंगा, और अभी तो रिकॉर्ड भी नहीं हुई, अभी तो वो ऑनलाइन चल रही है। तो कोई जिस समझ नहीं हो तो उसी वक्त देन एंड देयर पूछ लिया करें, मेरे रब करने से पहले। रब कर देता हूँ फिर नहीं, वो नहीं हो सकता। ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 11। y double dash minus 4y dash plus 3 plus 5y equal to 0. ऑक्सिलरी इक्वेशन में कन्वर्ट करेंगे सबसे पहले ऑक्सिलरी इक्वेशन। एम स्क्वायर माइनस 4m प्लस 5 इक्वल टू 0। इक्वेशन वो क्वाड्रेटिक फार्मूला m इज इक्वल टू माइनस b b is minus 4 plus minus square of minus 4 b square minus 4 ac, a is 1 and c is 5 upon 2a, a is 1. This is the quadratic formula. Minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon whole upon 2a. This will become minus minus plus 4 plus minus root 16 minus 20 upon 2. It will become 4 plus minus 16 minus 20 will be minus 4. Root minus 4 upon 2. 4 का स्क्वायर रूट 2 आप बाहर आ जाएगा और अंदर माइनस का जो है वो आयोटा हो जाएगा। यहां इसको यूं लिख सकते हैं 4 प्लस माइनस अंडर रूट 4 इंटू माइनस 1। माइनस 4 को क्या लिख देंगे 4 इंटू माइनस 1 अपॉन 2। इस 4 का जो है 2 बाहर आ जाएगा। इट विल बिकम 4 प्लस माइनस 2 अंडर रूट माइनस 1। ये अंडर रूट माइनस 1 अंदर ही रहेगा क्योंकि इसका स्क्वायर रूट नहीं होता अंडर रूट माइनस 1 का। 1 होता पॉजिटिव, उसका स्क्वायर 1 हो जाता है स्क्वायर रूट, और माइनस का स्क्वायर रूट नहीं होता माइनस 1 का। अपॉन 2, इसमें से 2 कॉमन ले लेंगे, सो m विल बी इक्वल टू 2 कॉमन ले लिया हमने, अंदर बच जाएगा 2 प्लस माइनस आयोटा अपॉन 2। 4 में से 2 कॉमन निकला, ये 2 कॉमन आ गया तो 4 में से 2 बाहर गया तो 2 अंदर आ गया, और यहां से 2 बाहर गया तो सिर्फ अंडर रूट आयोटा बचा, दैट इज अंडर रूट माइनस 1 बचा, दैट इज आयोटा। 2 से 2 कैंसिल, तो आंसर हमारे पास हो गया 2 प्लस माइनस आयोटा। रियल पार्ट इसमें 2 है, इमेजिनरी पार्ट 1 है, आयोटा के साथ 1 लगा हुआ है। जब कुछ भी नहीं होता तो उसका मतलब 1 लगा हुआ है किसी नंबर के साथ। आयोटा मौजूद है, उसका कोई कोफिशिएंट नहीं है, इसका मतलब उसका कोफिशिएंट 1 है, उसका कोफिशिएंट 1 है। तो अब हम इसमें जनरल सॉल्यूशन बना लेंगे। ये आपका सॉल्यूशन आ गया m इज इक्वल 2 प्लस माइनस आयोटा। तो जनरल सॉल्यूशन ऊपर लिख देता हूं, यहाँ जगह नहीं है, नीचे लिख, या नीचे लिखता हूं। इसे भाई द्वार जवेरिया से कहें आईडी लिखे, पता नहीं आईडी क्यों नहीं लिखते, इनको पता है कि आईडी लिखनी जरूरी है। जनरल सॉल्यूशन y इज इक्वल टू e raised to power real part 2x, y is equal to e raised to power 2x into c1 cos of रियल इमेजिनरी पार्ट 1 है, आयोटा के साथ 1 लगा हुआ है, कोफिशिएंट नहीं है, इसका मतलब 1 है। अगर आयोटा ही नहीं होता तो 0 होता, तो 0 हो गया। 1 है तो 1 इंटू एक्स विल बी एक्स प्लस c2 साइन 1 into x will be x. So this is the answer. E raised to power 2x into C1 cos x plus C2 sin x. ये इसका सोल्यूशन आ गया. कोई कह दे भाई दुआ जवेरिया को कि वो अपना आईडी लिखे. या ग्रुप में मैसेज भेज दे कोई. Send the message in the group. The general solution is y is equal to e raised to power 2x into c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. This is the answer. That was question number 11. Now I am doing question number 13. Question number 13. Three y double dash plus 2y dash plus y equal to 0. 3y double dash plus 2y dash plus y equal to 0. Plus 2y dash plus y equal to 0. Question number 30. 3y double dash plus 2y dash plus y equal to 0. Auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equation. It will be 3m square plus 2m plus 1 equal to 0. The coefficient of y is 1. Now we use the quadratic formula to solve it. Minus 2 plus minus 2 square minus 4 into 3 into 1 whole upon 2 into 3. It will become minus 2 plus minus root 4 minus 12 upon 6. It will become -2 plus -8 upon 6. Negative inside, that means it's the complex number. So first we will simplify this one. Under root -8 will become -2 plus -4 into 2 into 1 -1 upon 6. So this 2, 4 into 2 into -1. So 4, the square root of 4 will be 2. It will become -2 plus minus square root of 4 will be 2 into under root 2 into under root -1 will be iota. Square root of 4 will become 2. Under root 2 is inside and the under root -1 will be iota upon 6. We may take 2 common. 2 is common. -1 plus minus under root 2 iota upon 2. 2 is cancelled. 2 is cancelled. So it will become sorry, this is 6, not 2. 3. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. 3 is there. So it is -1 upon 3 plus minus root 2 upon 3 and iota. These are the two answers. This is the real part, -1 upon 3 plus minus under root 2 upon 3 iota. Now I will write the general solution over there. General solution. General solution, y is equal to e raised to power real part -1 upon 3 x into C1 cos under root 2 upon 3 iota. Sorry, cos under root 3 under root 2 upon 3x plus C2 sine under root 3 upon 2x. This is the final answer. This is the final answer. Y is equal to e raised to power -1 upon 3x. 61899. C1 cos e raised to power -1 upon 3x into C2, y is equal to e raised to power -1 upon 3x into C1 cos under root 2 upon 3x plus C2 sine under root 3 under root 2 upon 3. Sorry, this is under root 2 upon 3. I wrote wrong. C1 cos under root 2 upon 3 into x plus C2 sin under root